Our aspiration as a company is to build a significant global enterprise. And to realize this aspiration, we have to play in some of the tough markets in the developed nations of the world. Now, for a company like ours, which is where the brand is relatively unknown and we have a Made in India label appended to us, we have to lead into these markets with value selling rather than a price-based selling. Now, value in this context is about providing benefits to the customers from a life cycle cost perspective, as well as providing a product which has got just outstanding levels of quality. This is, we consider, as table stakes in building the competitive advantage for our company. Now, even though we lead our sales program with value and quality, for a company in our context, customers expect a price. So we have to have a cost advantage in order to able to compete and provide the expectations of the customer. Now, in order to make all of this happen, value, quality, as well as cost competitiveness, we have done selective integration, backward integration in our manufacturing. I'd like to talk about three of them. One is our foundry. With our foundry, the primary goal is to build the quality of our castings and therefore the quality of our products. The value proposition for the company is about getting the very high quality castings at an extremely competitive cost and in terms of low volume and high variety kind of a procurement. The second that I would like to talk about is our motor business. In our motor project, we have integrated backwards so that the percentage of our value in our compressor goes from about 30% to 60%. Now that's one part of it. The other part of it is by making our own motors, we are significantly improving the efficiency profile of our compressors. And this is a value that we bring to the customer, besides designing and building motors of very high reliability. third aspect of backward integration is the machine tools that we design and build for ourselves. These are special machines which are very expensive, and being able to use Indian engineering talent and capabilities, we've been able to significantly lower the cost of these machine tools, and by virtue of which, without compromising the technology and quality, we've been able to bring our cost down.
The manufacturing processes and flow lines are designed to capture the quality parameters at every stage and assure adherence every stage before passing on to the next stage. We have deployed auto-guided vehicles and digitalized feedback-based measurement system to ensure quality in each stage. Auto data capturing systems are deployed in machine shops to track the process capabilities real time.
So for us, backward integration is a very selectively strategic initiative where we pick on opportunities by which we are able to enhance the value that we provide to customers.
Process and people are two key enablers in this journey. Our process excellence is driven by adoption of total quality management. ELGi winning the 2019 Deming Prize, while it is a testimony to our adoption of TQM, has also put a huge responsibility on us to continue to institutionalize and excel in TQM. People, the biggest asset that we perpetually invest in, are leveraging the world-class product and process excellence to meet and exceed customer expectation, which we believe is what will take us to the company that we aspire to be.